Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Docker Engine and Docker Compose installed plus Python 3, 10 or newer. Once done, create your project folder and add app, py and requirements, txt. You should initialize a lightweight virtualenv to test dependencies locally first, because that reduces surprises inside the container. Next, write a minimal Flask or Fast API app to serve as your test workload. Make sure your code listens on 0, 0, 0, 0 so the container can expose the port. You now create a Docker file that uses the official Python 3, 10 slim base image. Start by setting workdir, copying requirements, txt, and running pip install no cache dir to keep images small. Once dependencies are installed, copy your source files, set Python unbuffered equals 1 for proper logs, and expose the port your app listens on. Define a concise CMD or entry point to launch the server. After that, build the image with docker build tmyapp, latest, and run it mapping host ports to container ports to validate. You complete the workflow by adding a Docker Compose. YAML for multi-service setups or simpler lifecycle management. Include volumes for live code reload and end vars for config. Once composed, run Docker Compose up build to iterate quickly and use Docker Compose logs f to follow runtime output. If something fails, enter the running container with Docker execute and reproduce the failure. Check permissions, missing dependencies, and port bindings. Remember to rebuild only when dependencies change, and prune unused.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.